Vlog day. Welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany here. So guys, today I'm going to be vlogging. I'm going to do like a mini Sunday vlog, so you stay tuned for that, and let's get into it. Chelsea, say hi.
Hi.
Guys, you saw it, right? Atletico bus.
It was this close, guys.
It was close. No.
He touched us. Um dia turista.
Ah, shopping in Chelsea.
Pronto, eu vou comer um favor.
Shopping with Chelsea. Not me and Chelsea are shopping. Chelsea.
Not us actually shopping.
Not us shopping. And it's like kind of a new mall for us to come, so
Is she really like
recording. I know. I've seen people like Alina Munarua, they were like looking at me even on Metro. They be judging me for having this tripod and actually be recording. They be judging me. No, I'm telling people that everyone is looking at me.
It feel like that sometimes.
Like, what is she doing? What is she doing? I am full. We walk a lot here, like for real. It's a lot. We should go someday. Have you guys been to a circus before? I've never been to a circus like ever in my life. So it'll be kind of an experience, a good experience. You know guys, I'm almost home, and the road that you saw that is closed, it's basically the main street near my house. So they close like every weekend, and people be walking on the street, in the middle of the street,